Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. I'll show you it here in a second. It is okay. It's a heating pad for your kitchen. So this goes, let's see, this will plug it in and it'll go like that. Can you see that there? Yes, and I will plug it in. It's funny, it came wrapped up kind of funny on the wire. But there, so now I can go here and I have a heating pad, so I can go ahead and turn it to 212 degrees. And now it's gonna heat up this pad to 212 degrees. Let's see what the instructions say here, if there's anything I need to know. Connect the power, you hear the beeps, touch the power button, and the default temperature is 212, and it should start heating automatically. You can touch plus or minus to set the desired temperature. So this is now heating up. It's got a weird little vibration, interesting, on it. And it's definitely not hot yet. So let's see what it does here. So I guess it's gonna be heating. Oh, I feel these little coils are starting to get hot. So it is heating up. It's just gonna take a minute for it to start getting, oh, there. Now it's starting to get hot on the top here. So if you need a nice little warming tray, if you're going to just something or whatever and you wanna keep your stuff warm, this is a good way to do it. So when it goes from 212, let's see how high up. Is that the highest? Yeah, it looks like 212 is going to be the maximum temperature you're going to get out of this, which is pretty hot. I mean, boiling is 200, so you're good. Let's see, anything else we need to know? Well, just says make sure there's dry, level, and free of debris. And yeah, it's definitely getting hot now. So yeah, that's cool. So yeah, you can just totally put stuff on there and it'll stay warm. I'm just like putting this on my table when I eat and I can just keep my plate nice and warm. This is cool. And it's made out of silicone, so it'd be super easy to clean and everything else. And it's got those little nubs on the bottom, so it keeps it off of the table a bit, but it does have a lot of stability. It's got a lot of them. And then to store it, it's just rolled up, so that's cool. And so this, now it's getting hot. Now I don't really want to touch it anymore. But it's cool, and I think you can set a timer on it. So if I can set 2 hours, I can set a 3-hour timer. I can lock it, the temperature in. I can do all sorts of different stuff. So really cool. And it is now warm. It's warming up my house. So really cool. I like this thing. It's really nice. Thumbs up for sure. Very good.